What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to link someone to your Discord profile. Now this is great for one of two reasons. Either you're trying to show your Discord profile out and have your fans or whoever you want just to see your profile and add you if you want to accept them, or if you just want to send it to a friend and that way they could just add you really easy. It is pretty simple to link someone to your profile. Now I'm on Discord mobile, but this works for desktop as well. Once you're at this menu here, you're going to hit your profile picture all the way in the bottom right hand corner. And it's going to take you to this sort of settings menu right here. And then from this menu, you can see your name with the numbers kind of towards the middle of the screen. It's pretty easy to see right below your profile picture. And it actually, if you hold that down, it's going to take you to this menu here. Well, it's actually not really a menu. It's kind of just a pop-up screen where it says copied ID on the screen and then it fades away. But you could see right here that I'm just in my notes right now, just for example. Once you paste what you just copied there, it's going to send your name with the numbers next to it. And your friend that you send this to could just do the same exact thing and just copy and paste your username. And they will be able to add you safe and sound through Discord. If you had any questions about how this works or anything like that, comment them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.